There, this is Bala's creation. Today I am here with one beginner's tutorial draw an apple. Let's start. To draw it, I need one white paper, pencil HB, and eraser. Draw a circle for the apple's basic shape. You can make it as big or small as you like. Scratch the shape of the apple lightly with a pencil. You can draw a basic round shape with a curved line at the top for the stem. Draw a slightly curved line across the bottom of the circle. Now use eraser to remove any excess pencil marks and make necessary adjustment. Here I am creating the apple stem. Draw a leaf on top of the stem by drawing a small curved line and then drawing a pointed shape on top of it. Add detail to the apple by drawing a slight indentation at the bottom where the stem meets the apple. With this step, you should have a basic drawing of an apple. Here, before coloring, erase any unnecessary line and clean up the drawing. Drawing and coloring an apple with pencil crayons is a great way to practice shading and blending skills. Here are the steps to draw and color an apple. Materials we need here: pencil crayons, red, green, brown, yellow and black. Here I am start coloring with yellow pencil crayons. Here I am using yellow color for apple, stem and also for leaf. Then now use a darker shade of red on the shaded area of the apple. Shade the apple using circular strokes and apply more pressure to the pencil to create a darker tone. Here I am using the light shade of brown on the highlight of the apple and also the black color. Start with the dark green shade on the shaded areas of the leaves and use a lighter green shade on the highlights of the leaves. Now I added black pencil crayon with highlights to the apple's area. These will give the apple a more three-dimensional appearance. there you have it, a beautifully drawn and colored apple with pencil crayons. Don't be afraid to add your style and make the apple look unique. Thank you. See you next. Bye bye.